Hello. In this video, we will discuss how to manage your Megaport Portal account. This video is aimed primarily at company admins. We will cover managing users, accessing invoices, and more. Let's get started. The purpose of this video is to give our customers an overview of the Megaport Portal and explain how to use it. Our goal is to address common portal questions raised by you to ensure you have a seamless experience in using our portal. If you are a user and seeking access to your company's Megaport services, stop. You need to reach out to your company administrator to request access. If you're not sure who that is, please email our support team at support@megaport.com. If you are a designated company administrator and you'd like to set up an account for your company, please head over to docs.megaport.com/getting-started to follow the startup process. Please note, the Megaport portal requires that there can only be one account associated with any given email address. If a customer already has an account, additional invitations sent to that email address will result in an error message. Here again, please email our support team at support@megaport.com for assistance. Upon logging into the Megaport portal, the Services tab is active by default. Here, all your services are displayed. Customers with a large number of services can filter by name, creation date, or location. Available menus are Dashboard, with useful links to documentation, the marketplace, and the Megaport Twitter feed, Company, with links for editing your company profile and managing users, Tools, with links for documentation and IX management, and finally, Megaport Marketplace, which we will discuss in more detail shortly. And finally, your customer name displays not only your name, but is a menu which allows you to manage your user profile, adjust your notification settings, or log out. A company admin is responsible for managing users associated with the company. Please note that as of November 14th, 2022, Megaport will launch Cognito, which is aimed at improving the security of customers' usernames, email, and passwords when using their Megaport Portal account. Please note, once we release Cognito, only the user can change their email address, and the company admin will not have the ability because the company admin doesn't know what login method is used, username/password, Google, or other SSO. In order to manage users, you must be a company admin with admin privileges. If the menu items do not appear as described, you may not be a company admin. In order to manage users, click on Company, Manage Users. On the next screen, a company admin is able to edit settings for each user. Please note that by default, only active users are displayed. To show deactivated users, simply click the switch. Users can be assigned one of 6 different roles. These are Company Admin. Company Admin is the highest privilege level. These users have permission to access and change all aspects of the company profile. We recommend limiting the number of company admin users to only those who require full access, but defining at least 2 for redundancy. Technical admin. This role is for technical users who know how to create and approve orders. Technical contact. This role is for technical users who know how to design and modify services but don't have the authority to approve orders. Finance. Finance users should have a financial responsibility within the organization while also understanding the consequences of their actions if they delete or approve services. Financial contact. This user role is similar to the finance role without the ability to place and approve orders, delete services, or administer service keys. Read-only. Read-only is the most restrictive role. Note that a read-only user can view service details which you may want to keep secure and private. Additionally, each user can be made active or inactive. At the bottom of the screen, new users can be invited to join the company by clicking the New User button. An invitation will be emailed to the new user along with a link inviting them to join the company group. User settings and passwords. To reset your password, choose Username, User Profile from the dashboard. On the next screen, you may edit your email address, change your email preferences, change your password, and/or enable two-factor authentication. Please note, if you are unable to log in to change your password, you may request a password reset from the initial login screen. Our system will send an email to the email address on record for the user. It is recommended that you check your spam filters before contacting Megaport support. You may also have to ask your internal IT support to whitelist the Megaport email address. Users can modify their email notification settings by choosing Username Notification Settings from the dashboard. Customers may subscribe to notifications regarding ordering, services, financial, and company. Clicking the box labeled Show Detailed Notifications provides information on what types of events trigger email notifications. Please note that you may wish to consider creating an internal email address specifically for managing important Megaport notifications. Ensuring that maintenance notices are received by your network operations team will help keep your services running smoothly. Megaport Marketplace. Megaport Marketplace is an online hub where global service providers and enterprise customers interconnect. Service providers can showcase their brand, reach global enterprises, scale to new markets, and provide solutions for businesses worldwide. Enterprises can connect to a broad range of internet services, cloud providers, managed services, and many others. Key features of the marketplace include neutral and inclusive. Megaport is data center agnostic, meaning that customers can access the marketplace and tap into services by some of the world's leading technology providers without being locked into a single data center provider. Rapid and agile connectivity. Customers can find and connect to service providers around the world in minutes. Self-serve. Customers can connect with who they want and when they want to meet their specific business needs. To browse the list of available providers, click the Megaport Marketplace item at the top of the portal page. Accessing billing information. Customers can access billing information from the Company Billing Markets menu. Information is organized based on region, and invoices are accessible by users with company admin or financial access. Here you can view invoices, make a payment, or edit the market for each billing market that you've enabled. If you need to contact Megaport Financial for any reason, please reach out to ar.global@megaport.com. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. After reviewing this video, if you have additional questions, please feel free to check out our online documentation at docs.megaport.com. I'll see you next time.